Bro, you know how I was saying the other day, yeah, I just can't be asked to get dressed sometimes, especially for photos. Like, it's not good enough for me to, I mean, depends. Do you know what I mean? When I get paid and that, yeah, I'm gonna wear a little one two piece, yeah, a little coordinate.
Because you're revisiting this. This is where, once again, I'm saying people are pretentious and entitled. A lot of people are entitled to explanations from you when they don't even know shit. So you would waste your time explaining stuff to them that would go over their head or under their radar. You all know in an explanation. And so the more intense you're standing in your power, the more intense that opposing force, because they're insecure, weak little bitches.
Bethnal Green.
Doing around the 9th of July, 2021, because this full moon can mirror themes that were active in your life in July. Did you maybe start off like a new romance around that time? Did you maybe kind of like start allocating more time to on that around the 17th of January? You could show your great when you were completing something of a greater nature. It feels like also a time when a romantic relationship can go in either direction. You could have to deal with maybe either with a friend or with a romantic partner or with both. This can also be a time when you meet someone romantically and you feel smitten. It could be someone that you know already, because it is a stretch, right?
That is fucking beautiful. That is fucking insane. Anyway, I really love this lip combo. Looks different in different lighting.
The victim, whose name currently cannot be disclosed, is now among over 51 young people who have been fatally stabbed in London.
I see London's burning, and you can't duck this smoke. I know, but I serve. Cut the door to see mumsy nagging, asking me to stay home. No, man, I got home some days. I wanna be alone some days.
I listen to this over and over and over. Just so fitting.
But you let me go like I've nothing to lose. Maybe this was all I came at. I was being made like some kind of fool. There is nothing left to say.
If I can go for a walk for an hour, I'll be so happy. My camera's dying, so I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye.